For years, developers who wanted to leverage AI in their workflow had to rely on cloud-based solutions. Every time you needed an AI-powered suggestion or code review, your code would be sent to remote servers. This dependency on external APIs meant not only potential privacy concerns, but also latency and recurring costs. The process was simple. Connect to the internet, use a tool like Copilot or ChatGPT, and wait for responses. But as technology evolved, so did the needs of developers. The desire for more control, privacy, and speed began to grow. Today, we're witnessing the end of that era and the beginning of something new. Visual Studio Code now integrates directly with LLaMA, allowing developers to run AI models locally inside their editor. This means your code stays on your machine, and you're no longer dependent on cloud APIs for every interaction. The integration is seamless, and it marks a significant shift in how AI is used in development environments. Developers can now enjoy privacy, speed, and zero API costs, all while maintaining full control over their models. This isn't just another update, it's a fundamental change in the AI editor space. With this new integration, developers can keep their code and models entirely local. There's no need to send sensitive information to external servers, which is a huge win for privacy and enterprise security. You're in control of your workflow, and your machine becomes the center of your AI-powered development. This shift empowers developers to experiment, iterate, and innovate without worrying about data leaks or external dependencies. Visual Studio Code's latest update allows you to use LLaMA models directly inside the Copilot Chat interface. You can run local LLMs, use them in AI chat, and switch between cloud and local models seamlessly. The best part? No more dependency on external APIs for every task. This integration is bigger than it looks, as it fundamentally changes how developers interact with AI in their daily workflow. Previously, developers relied on tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, all cloud-based APIs. The common thread among these tools was that your code left your machine, raising privacy concerns and incurring costs. With vscode and LLaMA, your code stays local, responses are instant, and you pay nothing per token. You can run models like LLaMA, Mistral, Kimi, and Qwen without worrying about API quotas or fees. The integration gives you complete control over which AI models you use. You can tweak, fine-tune, and experiment with different LLMs, all within your local environment. This flexibility is perfect for developers who want to customize their AI experience and optimize their workflow. Whether you're working on a solo project or collaborating with a team, you have the power to choose and modify your models as needed. Getting started with VS Code and LLaMA is straightforward. You'll need LLaMA v0, 18.3 plus, VS Code, 1.113 plus, and the GitHub Copilot Chat extension, 0.41.0 plus. While you still need to log into VS Code for model selection, there's no requirement for a paid Copilot plan. This makes the integration accessible to a wide range of developers, regardless of their budget or experience level. To connect everything, simply run the command LLaMA launch VS Code. This command links your local models to VS Code, allowing you to see recommended models from LLaMA and your local model at the end of the list. Once you've completed the setup, VS Code detects your local models, and Copilot Chat displays them in the model picker. You can start using them instantly, and if you don't see your models, just click Other Models to find them. After running the magic command, VS Code may prompt you to change your configuration. Just click Proceed, and your local models will be detected. Copilot Chat will show them in the model picker, and you can start using them right away. This streamlined process ensures that you're up and running with local AI in no time, making it easy to transition from cloud-based solutions. Once your local models are detected, Copilot Chat displays them in the model picker. You can choose your preferred model and start using it instantly. If your model isn't listed, simply click Other Models to locate it. This flexibility allows you to experiment with different LLMs and find the one that best suits your needs. The integration is designed to be user-friendly and efficient. You can launch VS Code with a specific model using the command LLaMA launch VS Code, model Kimi, K25, Cloud. This allows you to select your local model and ask it to refactor your code, all while working offline. Imagine opening VS Code, selecting your model, and getting AI-powered suggestions without an internet connection. This capability is perfect for developers who need to work in secure or offline environments. Once you've completed the setup, you'll want to verify that everything works as expected. A simple prompt inside Copilot Chat, like "explain this code" and suggest improvements, will trigger your local LLaMA model to respond. You should receive clear explanations and suggestions, such as using async, await, improving error handling, and cleaner structure. Most importantly, the response comes from your local model, not a cloud service. To push your local model further, try running a stress test prompt, such as "refactor this function" using modern JavaScript best practices. This will help you evaluate the model's capabilities and ensure it meets your development needs. The ability to stress test locally means you can experiment and iterate without worrying about API limits or external dependencies. Inside VS Code, the process is simple. Open the Copilot Chat panel, click the model selector, choose Local, and pick your LLaMA model. You can now start using AI-powered features without sending your code to the cloud. This step-by-step workflow is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for developers to adopt local AI in their daily routines. One of the most exciting use cases is offline code review. You can run static analysis and get AI-powered suggestions without exposing your code externally. This is especially valuable for developers working in secure environments or on sensitive projects. The ability to review code offline enhances privacy and security, making it a game changer for enterprise teams. The integration allows developers to experiment with different LLMs without API limits. You can try various models, compare their performance, and fine-tune them to suit your workflow. This experimentation is crucial for innovation, as it enables developers to discover new ways to optimize their code and enhance productivity. For companies with strict data policies, running AI locally is a perfect solution. Sensitive code never leaves the machine, and developers can maintain compliance with internal security standards. This integration is ideal for enterprise teams who need to protect their intellectual property and ensure data privacy at all times. Imagine coding on a flight or in a remote location without internet access. With VS Code and LLaMA, you can use AI-powered features offline. This flexibility is invaluable for developers who travel frequently or work in areas with limited connectivity. AI coding is now possible anywhere, anytime. The future of AI in development isn't about choosing between cloud and local. It's about embracing a hybrid approach. Developers can leverage the strengths of both, switching seamlessly as needed. This flexibility ensures that you always have the best tools for the job, whether you're working online or offline. This integration isn't just about convenience. It signals a major shift in the developer landscape. AI is moving closer to the developer, literally, onto their machine. We're heading toward a world where every developer has a personal AI agent, running locally, fully customizable, and deeply integrated into their editor. This is just the first step in a much larger transformation. Imagine every developer having their own AI agent, running locally and tailored to their workflow. These agents can assist with code review, refactoring, and experimentation, all within the editor. The customization possibilities are endless, and the integration is designed to be as seamless as possible. The LLaMA plus VS Code integration is deeply embedded into the editor, making AI features accessible without switching tabs or juggling APIs. Developers can focus on their code, ask questions, and get improvements, all within the same environment. This deep integration removes friction and streamlines the development process. As a developer, using tools like Copilot, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude has always involved some friction switching tabs, juggling APIs, and losing context. With LLaMA plus VS Code, that friction is gone. The workflow is simple. Code, ask, improve, repeat. Everything happens inside VS Code, making the development process smoother and more efficient. The new workflow is straightforward. Write your code, ask your AI agent for suggestions, implement improvements, and repeat. This cycle happens entirely within VS Code, powered by your local LLaMA model. The process is fast, secure, and cost-effective, enabling developers to iterate quickly and efficiently. Relying solely on cloud AI means missing out on the benefits of local integration. Cloud services can be expensive, introduce latency, and raise privacy concerns. With LLaMA plus vscode, you get the best of both worlds, combining the power of local AI with the flexibility of cloud solutions when needed. AI is no longer just an API service. It's becoming an integral part of your local development environment. The LLaMA plus vscode integration leads this shift, making AI features accessible, customizable, and deeply embedded in your workflow. Developers can now harness AI's power without sacrificing privacy or control. LLaMA plus vscode is at the forefront of this transformation. By enabling local AI integration, they're setting a new standard for development environments. Developers can now enjoy the benefits of AI without the drawbacks of cloud dependency, paving the way for a more secure, efficient, and innovative future. We hope this overview of vscode plus LLaMA's local AI integration has been helpful and informative. The future of development is here, and it's powered by local AI. Whether you're a solo developer or part of an enterprise team, this integration offers privacy, speed, and full control. Happy coding! Let's recap the core concepts. AI integration in development is evolving, with LLaMA and vscode leading the way. Local AI models offer privacy, speed, and customization. The hybrid approach combines the strengths of cloud and local AI, ensuring developers have the best tools for every scenario. This shift is transforming how developers work, making AI a fundamental part of the coding experience. In summary, vscode plus LLaMA's local AI integration is a game changer for developers. It offers privacy, speed, zero API costs, and full control over models. The setup is simple, and the workflow is intuitive. As AI becomes more integrated into development environments, developers can expect even greater innovation and efficiency. The next step? Start experimenting with local AI in your own projects and experience the benefits firsthand.